Alright, let's open this up. Comes with a CD for Windows and Macintosh. Apparently instructions. Now this is a massive lens. Look at that. So as you can see, it has two different stabilizer modes. Apparently one is for image stabilizer in all directions, and two is for horizontal. You can either turn the stabilizer on, or turn the stabilizer off. If you're going to put this on a tripod, you turn the stabilizer off. If you're hand holding, you put it on. And you have the autofocus and manual focus switch right here. This is what the back looks like. Front looks like. It's a very open and wide lens. There's a lot. And to move it out, you have to unlock it. Here's the lock button. So you unlock it. I guess it only locks when it goes back in. That way it won't fall out. So, see what kind of pictures it takes.